cool.
There he is. How you doing?
Like climbing the rafters and stuff.
I don't know about this one.
I'll take it like so.
You'll get there.
St.
Should I
Paul
go
and
legs
Isaiah-
first?
Well, both St. Paul.
That's how I did it.
I
think 365 days and counting.
Today we're gonna be going just hitting drains. Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah. Yeah, dude.
Miles.
Yeah.
It is.
Let's just yell bad words at it. You suck. Let's kill self-esteem. Wait, guys, we're missing the obvious. We can just swim under. Oh. That's all I got. There you go. You're getting it.
You're getting there, Miles. I'll get there. Cut the door out.
We need Luke's ice pick.
That's a rip.
That sucks. Like ironically.
It's warming up right now in the tunnel.
Damn, I was not recording that entire time.
Wow.
Yeah.
So I think it might be a southern thing, but my dad says Effenheimer. Whenever it comes to yeah, he grew up there. You can't really tell other than some of the things like some of the
I feel like a damn animal. Can one of you take this?
Roads diverged.
Hey guys, this is Mac from Eric and Mac.
Here, I'm gonna go ahead real quick. It looks like it did.
This is Chester.
Someone take my backpack too.
Okay. Okay. Here.
Hey, light me.
Yeah, one sec. I'm kind of doing everything. Chester's just walking away. Damn, a ton of sand just blew into my face. Yeah, you just kind of have to send.
What?
You just kind of.
What'd you say, Chest? We got 2 paths.
Come on in, buddy.
Snatch.
Bandersnatch? Oh shit. Bandersack.
We're probably gonna die if we go either way.
Frig.
Isn't it fun?
What am I supposed to do here?
Just pull yourself through.
That hurts.
You gotta have the fat layers for that.
Sorry. Don't have the jeans. Oh my.
Mouse and Torn be like. I thought I'd service.
A ton. Oh my gosh, that. Yeah, we literally did. Yeah, it just blows the sand right into your eyes.
I should hit it.
You okay? Iced out. No stylist. No shit now.
Oh, is this spiders? 1 spider so far.
I really don't want sand to get in my camera.
This is your last chance. Look at that.
That is a piece of concrete right there, dude. That is one piece of concrete.
That falls and kills us.
Sick.
Guys, we can jump that.
Like in the background.
Spider-Man definitely could.
That is where Creed is talking about decapitation, and Dwight is like, that is the way to go.
Oh yeah. I have a feeling it's just gonna be a dead end. Ow.
Just get a cool.
We found the dead end. Code no. Code red. Code. Go back.
Round.
Oh, dude, my pants are so code brown right now. Let's just wait.
That end?
Knew it.
Wow, what a guess.
Yeah, I definitely was surprised by the answer.
What? Dude, I did not see that coming at all.
Dude, that, whoa.
That's...
I cannot lie, I'm definitely surprised right now.
Alright.
How there a whole tire down here, though?
I don't know how some of this and why some of this random stuff is like.
Yeah, it's down here. Wow, it goes up.
And that Geo especially, that just like hits me.
Yeah, that's so weird.
I think we're going with someone's descending colon right now.
Okay. Yeah, guys, we entered an alternate, like, we just entered a shrink hole. I'm getting, I don't think this is even in.
Eric, I'm getting Satan's vibes from this.
I'm not.
The smell.
It smells good to me.
Okay.
I love this smell.
That's why his name is.
Where? This is weird.
What's this stuff on the wall?
Oh,
That's an entrance. Mac blew the spot. Mac blew the spot.
yeah, we're blowing this whole spot open right now. I'm gonna buy someday. What?
You go back down.
Well, I can't. I got no light, dog.
Well, I can't. You know, we could have just like passed the light up here.
Too simple. If one of us falls, that would not be good.
Land minor.
Stop tapping the tube. You're
Why?
scaring me.
Looks like a dead end.
Yeah. Walk up, plug walk.
Blow walk. Blow. I don't even understand.
I mean, scoliosis.
Scoliosis dudes walk up like.
That's gonna really offend someone with scoliosis.
Yeah, he bend over looking like a triceratops. Ew, why is it getting all poopy butt?
Mud.
Exactly.
Water mud.
Language. Shoot. Y'all know we slipping. See, this is why you URBEX with boots. Yeah, I don't want to look like a moron though. Looks before functionality. That's what I always say. Never has failed, other than the times it has failed me. Might freeze to death, but that Gucci look good though. Dude, there's like actual poop on the ground right here.
Nice.
Dude, is that toilet paper? Oh, that's actually a piece of poop.
Can we not?
Shut up. Dude, this does not smell good.
I'm gonna look up here and
We're
see.
standing right over shit. What do you
Hold
think?
on.
Are we going in
I mean,
there?
at least there's not like methane clouds.
Last thing I want is to step in literal.
Someone might have just started.
I'll be right back.
All right, Godspeed. What?
Can we not stand?
Shush.
It's just so gross.
Is there anything?
No, it's a dead end.
Okay. Dude, why do people poop? That's so gross. Everybody poops. Everybody poops. Oh! Oh! Just slipping.
Please be like, let's get naked.
Every picture on his Instagram. This is gross.
Jesse, you want me to push you through, buddy?
Come on, Chester, you're doing good, buddy. Get wrong.
Here.
That's you every
You have like, it's that way. You'd have to like do the splits on the way through.
Nice. Hey, Mac, nice hair. You're you to the Sandy store? Shut the fuck up.
Damn. You just put a lint trap up and it's just.
Man, it is dark out here. Miles straight going to. Oh, man, a ton of sand just blew onto me. Hey, blow me. Am I right?
Sure.
Yeah.
Stop making fun of me.
Oh, this is a funny. This is a funny sight.
You're on the list.
Hey, Miles, nice legs. Where'd you get in the properly functioning store?
Actually, I got them from the improperly functioning store. Fuck you.
Damn. Hey, Miles, grab this.
I'll have to be the next best thing, Eric. Damn it.
Yeah. There anymore.
No, and everything. Like they were having. The only thing that I wish I had bought when they were going out of business
Give me a second.
Maplewood was a snowblower. But other than that, like I was walking through the store, I'm like, this is full of like clothes and stuff that I wouldn't buy, and I can't picture many people buying. It's sad.
I'm gonna camp it out back here for a
When
while.
I went to
boys.
JC. Cool.
There he is. How you doing?
Like climbing the rafters and stuff.
I don't know about this one.
I'll take it like so.
You'll get
like,
there.
St.
Should I
Paul
go
and
legs
able-
first?
Well, both St. Paul.
That's how I did it.
I don't know why I'm having such a hard time with this. I'm too damn long.
Up the wall.
Maybe I should just kind of run and jump it.
Be the Kool-Aid man.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah!
You guys can go without me if you want.
I'll see you.
Nah, we leave no man behind. Oh damn! You're looking like you're having a hard time there.
You got it, honey.
I think I'm breaking my phone.
Just bend forward. Eric, I'm gonna call your mom to give you some money.
Yeah. Can you guys call my dad?
You got this, sweetie.
Dad.
I see the head.
He's drowning.
Guys, we have to slap him when he comes out.
You guys gotta
Just spank him.
snip me real quick.
I think we gotta do a C-section.
Yeah, like unironically.
He's stuck.
My legs can't bend backwards.
Dude, how did like cavemen cut it? They ripped it.
They
Cut it.
They bit it off.
Probably. Yeah.
The teeth were just as flat as they are now.
Maybe
I
not.
just took a rock and like squished it hard enough until.
If you don't do anything with it, will it just like shrivel up and fall off?
What does the end that you don't cut off do though?
placenta.
Does it just come back
and
up?
you eat it.
It's the placenta.
Yeah, doesn't it just like kind of suck back up?
I've
No,
read
you're supposed
something
to
really
claw the
gross
placenta,
that
right?
apparently it's a thing that some women are like eating their placenta.
Yeah,
I've heard that.
Yeah,
what the
men
hell?
eat it too.
Why?
It's so
They
gross.
say it's nature's
It's nutrient.
snack.
It's nutrient filled.
Nature's snack.
It's got all the nutrients for the
It
baby.
stains the baby.
Oh my
yeah.
gosh, you're not a baby.
Yeah. All 26 letters.
Macromolecules, electrolytes, all
Yeah.
the goods.
Water.
Plenty of protein.
It's just a glob of half-digested shit.
That's
a
why.
baby.
That's why pro weightlifters eat placentas.
I can't tell if you're joking.
Yeah, no, they just go to hospitals.
they-
and
where
like,
would they
hey,
get off
hey, you guys got any placentas on hand?
Just check the bucket.
Yeah.
Like reach and it's like slosh.
Just like a slimy bucket. What the fuck?
Just like dump it all.
Yeah.
Check the dumpster out.
Oh my god.
Shall we?
We shall.
At a Clippers game on the court side. Watch a nigga shoot like a 4-5. They mad at me too, I got